welcome to Sparkle with Jyoti. I am super excited for this video, guys, because this is the opening of Lizberry, an amusement park which is so popular in Gothenburg, and it has opened after 1 year. From the time last year the pandemic started, it was like closed, and this is like the most popular and favorite of everyone. Everybody just loves Lizberry and coming here and playing rides and games and having popcorn, because they have very nice decorations. I have done a couple of videos, if you want to check out my earlier videos as well. So I thought of showing you how they have opened. Of course, they have a lot of restrictions and very limited entry. So I think it's 4 or 5,000 people allowed, and there are a lot of restrictions. You have to pre-book all your bookings. You have to remove tickets, and you also have to pre-book the rides, and if you want to eat in a restaurant or something like that, so everything has to be pre-booked, and they have taken a lot of precautions. But let's see. I'm super excited because this is also like my daughter's and my favorite. We are here. So we have just entered, and there are beautiful flowers behind me. As you can see, it's so pretty, and they have maintained it so well. I'm in love with the flowers, so I just wanted to show you that. And it's a huge park, guys. If you want to see all the details of the technical details, how huge it is and all that, you can check my video which I have done with one of the employees who work. As you can see, not everything is open, and today is just the second day actually of the opening, and that's the reason we thought of coming, because nobody will come so early. People maybe will see the situation and then come after a few days. So see, this is like, even this is closed, and as you can see, look, very less people are around. So in a way that's good. But I'm used to seeing this place completely jam-packed and crowded. So it's a little odd to see, and they have been closed for like 16-18 months. That's really crazy. So yeah, they have very good restaurants here, and quite affordable, and the food is also quite good actually. We have eaten here last time when we came, and there are a lot of like small stores where you can buy like fast food, and you can buy popcorn, ice cream, you can play games, you can win a lot of chocolates, and softer. Yeah, so you can do a lot of stuff here actually, and spend quite number of hours here. So see, you can see all. a couple of rides, and now we are here to eat because the restaurants here I know are closing early, like pretty early, and only the fast food places are open till 9 o'clock. So we thought, like, better to eat first, and then we can take a stroll later. So yeah, I'm going to dig in. Like, the fries are here, all junk food, but it's okay for like some time. So yeah. Hey guys, so we are just we finished dinner, and then we just took a nice stroll. I just felt like it was very actually calm, so I didn't felt like picking up the camera, but I've taken a lot of shots for you guys. And that's the problem with vlogs, you feel like you're like constantly working even if you're not. So yeah, so I hope you like this video, guys. And the crowd is less, so it was really good in a way. Like, we could take a stroll and explore all the places which we have not seen earlier as well. So it was pretty nice actually. We have come after so long, like after 1 year, and like this, in like out in public, and eating outside and all. But it was really fun. We had a lot of fun, and it's almost going to be 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock they close basically. So we are going to head out for home now. I hope you like this video, guys. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. That means a lot to me. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time in my next video. Till then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye. Take care.